This is a 2004 Ford Ranger, 97,000 miles, XLT Super Cab 4-door, in fabulous condition. You will not find a door ding on this truck. Super clean. Tires are in great shape. Very clean Ranger, rust free, super low miles. Sprayed bed liner, sliding rear window. Perfect truck for student. Rust-free Texas vehicle. It is running. It is 102 degrees out today, so AC compressor and fans working pretty hard. It is a two-tone black tan cloth interior, jump seats, aftermarket radio with Bluetooth, 97,000 miles, cruise control, no rips, stains, or wear marks on the cloth seats, never smoked in, no cracked dash. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. All four doors open up. So this is a 2004 Ford Ranger, 97,000 miles, Super Cab 4-door with a 3.0 liter, in absolutely phenomenal condition for its age. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically.